Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So, if you guys saw my Barbie Dream Besties review and unboxing, then you would know that I really like those dolls. And another one came out. Actually, two more came out. So this is Daisy Jean. She came out. She's hella cute. Like, I don't know. I mean, if you guys also just are really into like different sculpts and stuff, her face is just so cute. Her sculpt is really cool. I think she has a curvier body than the other ones that came out. Yeah, these are so reminiscent for me of the Ever After High dolls. They just seriously are. Their bodies are like quite a bit bigger, but they're just big old heads. Really remind me of Ever After High. When I saw her, I was like, I really want to get her because I do like these dolls a lot. And I am very excited for like future releases. I kind of want Ken. I didn't end up picking him up because I just don't really care about male dolls, which feels kind of crappy to say. Like, I do own quite a bit of male dolls, but I don't do anything with them. And when I saw him, I was like, he looks so cute. He does look really cute. His head looks weirdly small, I feel like, compared to the girls. So I don't know. I kind of want to see him in person and see if he has like a little tiny head and then they have these big old heads, because I think that would be weird. But I am very curious to like look at his sculpt and stuff and like see if his body is the same as like the BTS dolls or the Monster High dolls or the Ever After High dolls, and just kind of really examine him. But I just feel like if I pick him up, I'm just not really gonna do anything with him. But I am very curious about them. So maybe I'll like, I feel like Christmas is coming and people always ask me like, what do you want for Christmas? And it's usually dolls. I may very well like link him to somebody for Christmas, but who knows, we'll see. So I didn't pick up Ken, but I did pick up Daisy Jane. That name, I just have to say it in a southern accent. But yeah, here she is. She's adorable. We're gonna open her and see if she's like as adorable as she looks. And I'm gonna talk to you guys about what I think about her. These retail for like $20, so that's pretty inexpensive in comparison to a lot of 1/6 scale, like very articulated dolls on the market right now. Let's just get into it. I'll tell you what I think about her and if I think she's worth the money, which $20 is, I feel like in this economy, just so low for literally anything. So she very well might be, but let's go. Packaging, I know my ring light is kind of blowing the portrait out, but if I tilt it forward, I think you can see it. Yeah. So this is Daisy Jean. Again, love this little portrait. I really like the Barbie Dream Besties packaging. She comes with all sorts of stuff. I'm gonna flip it over. So this is all the dolls that have come out till now. Again, I love whoever this artist is. I actually really like the packaging for these dolls. I like this font. I like the bubbles, or not bubbles. I like the big like balloon letters. I like how pink it is. I just like it a lot. There's just a little kind of blurb about her. Apparently she's a DJ. She likes gold and psychology is her favorite class. So just some cute little facts about her. And yeah, there's not a lot of packaging on the sides. It just says her name, Daisy Jean. I think I also just really like that there's like, it's like clouds and stars. I don't know. I dig it. I'm gonna open her up and show you guys all her accessories and the doll. I'm also gonna show you the body because apparently the body's different. So we'll see about that. Okay, so here she is out of the box. And I really like certain things about this design and really don't like other things. Like I like her hairstyle, I like the color. I love her makeup. I'll show you guys a close-up of it. I love these little like glasses up here. They're adorable. She's got these adorable little cowboy boots, which, yeah, they're like baby blue. I've actually been sort of into cowboy boots lately. Like I used to have gold cowboy boots. I just really want cowboy boots again. But I feel like I want a pair that's like this. Like I want a pair of baby blue cowboy boots, not like brown ones. But anyway, these are adorable. Something that kind of irks me, and this has nothing to do with this doll. It's literally a Barbie thing, just a Barbie in general thing. I hate how tiny they make Barbie's feet. I just think they look so weird. Like I get it. I get why her feet are tiny. It's like a Barbie thing. And you know, I guess you're sticking with tradition or something because Barbie got tiny feet as a Barbie. But I just feel like it looks really, like, not well proportioned. But I like her shoes regardless. She's tannish. She has like a medium skin tone. Her hair, I don't know what hair this is, but it feels very cheap. Yeah, I don't know. I know these dolls have like a, you know, not, oh, that's not super cute. Can that like, why? Her rooting is okay. It's not like super thick, but mostly I have an issue with whatever hair type this is. I have no idea what it is, but it just feels not great. Somebody told me what Mattel uses on their dolls, but I feel like this feels like cheaper than other Mattel dolls that I have, like Monster High and stuff. Her hairstyle is cute and the color is cute though. I just don't like whatever this hair type is. She really reminds me of Barbie from this line. She just, I'm pretty sure her and the Barbie sculpt are different, but they do look similar. Brooklyn is the other sculpt that has like a closed mouth, but I definitely think it's different than that one. I think the Barbie one is like more smiley, whereas this one is maybe less smiley, but it's a very similar sculpt. And I hate, I hate her dress, and I hate like her shirt. I just feel like, I don't like the pattern on the dress, and I don't like how long the sleeves are on the shirt. Whoa, yeah, you can see, I don't know. I get what they were going for this dress and this skirt and stuff. I just feel like they could have found a more interesting pattern to put on this dress. It's also like it's cinched in here because of my stand, but it's basically like a sack, so that's not cute. I get like the vibe they're going for, like that hippie kind of festival vibe, but I feel like it could have just been done way cuter. She also has like a bead necklace on her neck that says her name. That's cute. Yeah, I feel like I like her accessories. I just don't like her dress or shirt. Like any of her clothing pieces, I just really don't like. I think they're a little bit ugly. Makeup is so cute. Let me see. Yeah, her makeup's so cute. She has like a little daisy on her cheek. It's very colorful. The screening is really nice. I just don't like her hair, and I don't like her outfit. So this is her body, and I actually really like it. I feel like this thicker body feels maybe more proportionate with how big her head is. It's also kind of just the original body, but like slightly thicker. I'm gonna show you guys. I have one of the original, well, I have all the original dolls. I have one of the original bodies right here. You're gonna have to forgive me because I'm literally painting one of these dolls right now. So this is Barbie, the blonde Barbie, because again, I guess Brooklyn and I forget the other Barbie, Malibu, are both Barbie, but this is the blonde one, so not Brooklyn. So yeah, I'm painting her right now, and she doesn't have a head on her body, so just forgive me. But hey, be on the lookout for that. I'm painting one of these dolls. So this is the, I guess, normal like sculpt for these dolls. What most of them have. Chubbier, quote unquote. I feel like this isn't like chubby at all, but she just looks slightly like bigger on like the waist and the thighs, and also like the calves. So like she's definitely like a more plus size version of this body. Honestly, I feel like that large of a head just looks more proportionate on this type of body, because again, their heads are so big. Look how tiny and dumb their feet look. Like, why? I feel like it looks extra stupid on this curvier doll because she's like slightly bigger, but yeah, their feet are so dumb and tiny. Why? Yeah, they basically have, I feel like, the same skin tone. Maybe Daisy is a tiny bit tanner, but they're both like a medium kind of skin tone. Yeah, I really like this body. I really do. Now I'm gonna paint this doll. I just paint Barbie Extra Dream Besties or whatever these things are called. But I do really like them as a base. So yeah, again, be on the lookout for that. But let's get into her accessories. So first up, we have these headphones. I think these are adorable. Like, I really like these. Kind of wish they were painted, but again, this is a $20 doll, so it's not super expensive, so I get that they kind of like cut corners a little bit. Also, there's a ton of articulations, so I'm sure some of the budget went into that. But I think they're really nicely sculpted. All of these dolls come with a cell phone. It's like an iPhone. She has one. It's blue. It has like music on it. Very cute. It also has a case. Let's see if it actually fits in the case, because a couple of the other ones of these dolls that I have, they don't fit in the case, and it's weird. Like, why don't they fit in the case? This is her case, and this actually does fit, so good. But this is the screen, and then you flip it. Of course, it's a Daisy cell phone case. I love this. Like, I love all the colors. It says Daisy on it. This is adorable. Like, it really, really, really is. It's so cute. I think that if I remember correctly, yeah, I think they all came with food. So hers is cotton candy. It's cute. I don't know. I feel like I've said this before on my channel. I don't really give a crap about like doll food. I have an absurd amount of doll food. So this will just add to my giant pile of doll food. It looks like cotton candy, and it's colorful, and it's like pastel, so that's cute. Moving on to her bag. She has this Daisy bag. I think it's funny that like all her stuff is Daisy and her name is Daisy. Girly Pop likes her name, but it's painted on one side. It's like a knit, or like, I guess, yeah, like a knit kind of detailing on it. I mean, it goes with her. It's fine. Like, I don't know. I think it goes with her style, and you can actually put stuff in it. Should have probably showed you yet. So it has an opening. This is a little weird. I don't know if you can see this, but like it's open right here, and then the other side isn't. I'm assuming that's some sort of like, I don't know, sculpting error, or maybe mine's broken. Like, it just doesn't fit completely together. So I don't know what that's about, but that's that. And then last but certainly not least, I have her little DJ thing. Now, this is, I guess, I mean, is it supposed to be an iPad? Maybe, yeah, I think it's supposed to be an iPad. One of the other girls, I think it's Brooklyn, also comes with an iPad, and I think it has a very similar thing on it, or it's just something that looks very similar. That's all of her accessories. I think the thing that I think is the cutest and most exciting is like her headphones are really cute, and so is her cell phone. Her cell phone is like super cute. I feel like all of the dolls with like cell phone accessories from this line, like their cases and their phones, and it's an extra added bonus when the phone actually fits in the case. So overall, here she is. I think this doll, minus her clothes, is just adorable. Oh, I didn't even notice that the pattern on her like sack dress is a daisy. I mean, that is cute, but again, I don't know, I don't like it. I don't like how it was executed maybe, and I don't like that it's like a sack. And I do get the vibe, but I feel like they could have done something way cuter, or maybe just like change the pattern. And the sleeves of the shirt, I feel like the sleeves are really kind of what bothers me with the shirt. But here she is. She's like 20 bucks. I think she's totally worth it. She's very pretty. Kind of want to get Ken. I seriously kind of want to get Ken. But again, I'm sexist and I don't like male dolls. I'm just kidding. I'm not sexist. But I'll do anything with male dolls. They just sit there and I stare at them. And that's all we do together. I think if you want this doll, I would get it. Again, it has some issues, but overall, it's really cute. It has so much articulation. And I think it's totally worth it. So yeah, guys, let me know if you picked this up. Did you pick up Ken? Do you like him? What is his body sculpt? Tell me, all right? I want to know. I might pick him up just to literally figure it out, because again, he's only $20. But yeah, if you guys have any thoughts on these Barbie Dream Besties, let me know down in the comments. Like this video if you like this video, subscribe, makes me happy, and have a beautiful day. Bye!